Hi, my name is Miss Keiko. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's Take and Make program. Today we are going to make this. Okay? And a frog on a lily pad floating. Okay? We are going to check first what kind of parts we have. Okay? So let's check. All right? You have two sets of lily pad, right? Like this. Lily flowers, I should say. Okay? Pink and white, right? And then you have here, okay, yellow ones, two, to hold the flowers together, okay? All right. Then you have lily pad, like this, okay? And later time we are going to pull it this way, all right? Now, you have two eyes, yes, okay? And you have, of course, frog face, okay? Then we have one, actually two, but one sheet of hand, okay? Then here, okay, legs, all right, and the sticky part here, okay? And all together, we are going to make like this. All right, good. So let's start. First, let's see what we are going to do to make these flowers. All right, put together, okay, and then insert this, okay, all together like this, okay, and then close. This, you have two holes here, all right? So put it like this, and then open up. And it hold flowers on a pad like this, all right? And then one more time, we are going to repeat it. One more time, okay? Put it like this, and then put it through. Right? Then make sure you open it and spread it. Okay? Just like this. Like this. Okay? Alright. Okay, it's holding it okay? Alright. You know what? Good. Next one is we are going to take this part. All right, you have something here still stuck, okay? So, I'm going to just do one more time here, to right side, and then you have to take it. This one is, you don't need it, this one here, okay? All right, so like this, okay, good. Now, next one is, you have eyes here. Actually, the back of it is very sticky, okay? However, you have to peel the outside of this hard paper, okay? And sometimes it's kind of difficult to peel it, so you can use this tweezers and pull it like this, okay? That you're going to put it where? Here and here, right? Okay? So, here, one, okay, and one more. I'm going to use the tweezer. So that's kind of difficult. Oops, I dropped it. All right, one more. Okay. Here it is. All right, good. Smiley face. Now, next step is put hand, okay, this part and then this part, okay? So here it is, okay? This also has sticky papers here, okay? So we have to peel it, this is easy, easier. Okay, you can peel it like this. All right. Then fold like this. All right. One more. This is easy. Very nice frog. Okay, can you see it? Oh, it sticks to the fingers. There. There. Okay. Good. It's coming. It's coming. Now, next part is you're going to attach this part to the head part. All right. So it goes like this. See, you have, okay, I will show it to you. See, we are going to make this like this, right? So from the front, it looks like this. All right. So let's peel it. Okay. I think this should be okay. Yes, this is easy. No need to use tweezers. And then put it like this. All right. Like this. This part is going down here. Down here. Okay. So this part is going like this. So this, I'm going to attach it. Little bit, I will show it to you. Okay. Like this. This line. Okay. This line. All right. Okay. Now make sure it's attached. Okay. Now next one is you're going to insert this part in this hole here. Okay. So that it will sit just like this. All right. So let's do this part here like this. Insert it. Okay. Let's see. It might be a little bit hard to put it, so you might need your parents' help. Okay? Then I'm going to just push it down, yes, there, push it down, okay? Here it is, okay? And then just arrange the feet part like this, so it's so nice, all right? Here it is. Okay. So that's it. So easy, isn't it? There. All right. Wow. Did you have a good time? That's great. Next Take and Make program is July 11th, Saturday. So if you'd like to join us again, Haley is coming to teach you. And you can pick up materials that week from Monday to Friday. Okay, so that was the second week. Let me see, second week. That's a July 6th, I believe. July 6th is a Monday, and then 10th is a Friday. So that time period you can pick up at the library's curbside pickup station. All right, no need to register. So please join us again next time, July 11th. Okay, so take care of yourself and be kind to yourself. Be kind with your family, your friends and siblings. Okay, all right, bye bye. Thank you very much for joining.